Hello everyone. I welcome you all for online video tutorial by Department of Civil Engineering, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Myself, Professor Gautam, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. Today, I am going to explain about problem on Westergaard stress equations. Now, let us see the problem straight away. So here is the problem. Calculate the stress at interior, edge and corner region of cement concrete pavement using Westergaard stress equation. Use the following data. Okay, that means in this problem, he had given certain data. For that data, you have to calculate what is the stress is encountering at interior, edge and corner region of cement concrete pavement. Okay, and this is the data what he had given. He is saying that V load acting on the pavement is 5100 kg. Then modulus of elasticity of cement concrete is 3 into 10 to the power of 5 kg per centimeter square. Pavement thickness is 18 centimeter. Poisson ratio of concrete is 0.15. Modulus of subgrade reaction, that is equal to K, is given is 6 kg per centimeter cube. And the radius of contact area, that is small a, is equal to 15 centimeter. So for this data, you have to calculate what is the stress encountering at interior region, edge region and corner region. I hope all of you know the meaning of interior, edge and corner. So suppose this is a cement concrete slab. So interior region means this one, corner region, it is at the corner of the cement concrete slab, and edge you may consider here. Okay, so interior region, corner region and at the edge region, you need to find out what is the stress is creating. In order to calculate that, Westergaard has given different set of formulas. You can see the right tab of my screen. So first step, what you need to calculate, you need to calculate radius of relative stiffness, that is given by the formula EH cube divided by 12K into 1 minus mu square to the power of 1 by 4. See, in the problem, E is available. So 3 into 10 to the power of 5 kg per centimeter square. H is available, pavement thickness 18 centimeter. So K is also given 6 kg per centimeter cube, and mu value, Poisson ratio is also given 0.15. So apply all the values and calculate small l, that is radius of relative stiffness, and that is equal to how much? 70.6 centimeter. After that, you need to calculate radius of equivalent distribution of pressure, that is small b, is equal to square root of 1.6 a square plus h square minus 0.675 h. Okay, but you can use this formula when a by h, so a by h is less than 1.724, then you can proceed with this b formula. If a by h is greater than 1.724, then you can consider b is equal to a. Okay, so first we will check what is a by h value. A stands for radius and h stands for thickness. Therefore a is how much? 15 centimeter and h is 18, not 8 here, it is 18. Therefore 15 divided by 8, that is equal to 0.833, less than 1.724. Therefore according to the Westergaard theory, if a by h is less than 1.724, in order to calculate b, you can use this formula. So I used that formula. So in that formula, all the data is available. A is known, h is known. So substitute all the values and calculate what is b. So once you are available with the b value, next you calculate what is the stress at interior region. That is given by the formula. Stress at interior region, sigma I is equal to 0.316 P divided by H square into 4 log of L divided by B plus 1.609. See, the same formula I had written here. In this formula, all the data is available. P stands for applied load. So applied load is how much? 5100 kg. So remaining data is available. H is 18 centimeter. So L you had calculated in the very first step as 70.6. Okay. So B value found in the previous step, that is equal to 14. So all the data is available. So calculate what is the stress at interior region. Similarly, stress at edge region is given by this formula, that is 0.572 P divided by H square into 4 log of L divided by B plus 0.359. All the data is available. Just to substitute all the data and check out what is the stress at edge region. That is equal to 28.54 kg per centimeter square. Similarly, calculate stress at corner region by using the formula. Here you can see the formula 3p divided by h square into 1 minus a square root of 2 divided by 1 to the power 0.6. So the same formula I had applied here. All the data is available. P 5100, H 18, then A he had given in the problem how much it is, 15 centimeter. So all the data is available. Just substitute and check out what is the stress at corner region. Okay, and this is how you need to calculate what is the stress encountering at interior, edge and corner region by using Westergaard stress equations. Guys, I hope all of you understood this problem. We will meet in the next session with another problem. Thank you, guys.